You mentioned economic development. 57% of respondents said that protection of the environment should be given more priority, even at the risk of slowing economic growth. So a majority, not a huge majority, but a majority of Oregonians. Where do you see that geographically? I mean, is that relatively constant across the state, or are there differences there?
There are some differences, but not major differences. If you move into the more rural areas of the state where the economy is particularly bad, you're going to see more people in the economy camp around that question. But I would encourage everyone to visit the website www.truenorthoregon and check out those findings. So yes, in Eastern Oregon, more people in the economic camp, but I think you will be surprised to look at the findings overall by region. And Dave, let me add one other thing. We worked real hard in this question to get at key issues using more than one question format and different wording for the question. It's called triangulation. So the questionnaire was triangulated to try to get at this issue. They feel that we need to change our lifestyles to address climate change.
The numbers were really
Weren't
stark
they?
to me. You gave respondents two choices about climate change. Here's one. It requires us to change our way of life, such as driving less or living more simply. Or, if climate change becomes a problem, we can deal with it later. And changing the way of life, this is across all Oregonians, it was chosen 3-1. Would you have guessed that?
No, that's one of my surprises. We're out there all the time monitoring public opinion, but this climate change issue has, in our opinion, it continues to ripen here. And what's amazing is to look at how people feel about this across the state. But stop, Portlanders, ask yourself, if you're a rancher dealing with drought in Eastern Oregon, if you aren't scratching your head, wondering if maybe, just maybe, there's something with this climate change thing. The other question that I thought was real interesting was, again, getting back to triangulation, getting a little bit at this same issue, was the support for this question. Our country would be better off if we all consumed less. So that's that validation I'm talking about. Okay, we have to change our lifestyle to address climate change, but also our country would be better off if we all consumed less.